Hi, everyone. Why? Why is it that we talk about sustainability so much and actually achieve so little? How do we turn all those good intentions into concrete, immediate action? I mean, do we need to get to COP 50 or 80 something before we finally meet our climate targets? Well, I believe that instead of scaring, shaming, taxing those who are not enough environmental friendly, we should rather reward the virtuous ones. Right? We should turn this punitive ecology into positive ecology. And the best way to achieve that on a global scale, well, is the good old proven method of financial incentive. At EcoTree, we got inspired by the Scandinavian recycling system, where you get some money back when you return your used cans and bottles for recycling. And it's a perfect example of how very simply and very efficiently you can actually monetize the act of recycling. It's brought up the return of used cans and bottles up to 95% in those countries, versus less than 50% in countries without such a system. So a simple, tiny financial incentives leads to a double up on how environmental friendly people actually behave. So now imagine you adapt that idea to tree planting, because we need more trees, as it's been recognized loudly at the COP26 2 days ago, right? So instead of the classic tree donation thing, you turn tree planting into a profitable action. So you get both the environmental benefits and a financial gain. And you don't need to invest in heavy acquisition, land acquisition. At EcoTree, we're using fairly simple legal mechanism to let anyone online, individuals or companies, actually buy newly planted trees, just the trees, right, from our forests in Europe, and become what we call a tree owner. Here comes the tech part. Once you've bought your trees online, you can follow them online, right, through various digital features such as virtual tours, IoT sensors, geolocation, so you can kind of witness almost live their vitality and growth. And that's where I think tech can have a real impact, because it helps to connect, right? And when you're connected, you care. And back to the financial incentive. When your tree have reached maturity, we selectively cut them for high quality timber. And we hand over 100% of the revenue to you, the tree owners, so you will ultimately double up your initial investment. So it's long term, but it's quite a decent incentive, right? And if you're a company that actually particularly interested in the carbon sequestration of trees, well, here you got a natural carbon removal solution that basically pays for itself. And that's what's so exciting and fascinating with sustainably grown forests. They can flourish and provide at the same time. And this, I believe, is the future of sustainability. It's a model that is not just ecologically sustainable, but also financially, economically sustainable. This is how I believe we're going to have the real long-term impact we are desperately looking for. So thank you very much. And yeah, may the forest be with you. Thank you.